The human psyche, akin to the corporeal form, can suffer from persistent afflictions that do not arise from a singular traumatic occurrence, but rather from a series of neglected instances. For instance, a lung infection can be the result of the practice of shallow breathing, which deprives the lungs of adequate oxygen. To cure such an ailment, one must engage in numerous minute exercises that stimulate deep breathing, such as supine posture and setting an alarm to remind oneself to take deep breaths every quarter hour. Although these remedies may appear gradual and trivial, they are indispensable in reversing pernicious tendencies and promoting salubrity. Frequently, individuals form undesirable habits through recurrent actions, such as resorting to profanity at every inconvenience. To surmount such habits, one must establish desirable habits that vie with the undesirable ones. For instance, reciting self-affirming statements 10 times a day can assist in replacing the habit of using expletives. Nietzsche espoused that small and consistent actions are vital for effecting change. Alterations in moral outlooks and evaluations must be established progressively, with the means dispensed in minuscule doses, but unremittingly over extended periods. Revolutions that endeavor to bring about swift changes in evaluations often culminate in bloodshed and are futile. Humans have a propensity to react emotively to arguments that they are unprepared to accept. Attempting to forcibly eradicate such concepts only engenders a backlash, as it galvanizes resistance. Nietzsche postulated that rather than directly confronting objectionable ideas or behaviors, they should be put on hold assiduously and repeatedly to enable measured, unthreatened consideration. In summation, small and consistent actions are imperative for remedying chronic afflictions of the psyche. These actions may appear inconsequential, but they foster robustness and reverse deleterious tendencies. Alterations in evaluations must be established progressively and over lengthy periods, rather than through revolutionary means. Finally, objectionable ideas should be put on hold repeatedly and painstakingly to enable timely and unthreatened consideration.